Alright, last objective, linear function wrap up. Directions, complete each component below based on the given component. So the given component is this right here. The slope is 4 and the intercept is 2. You can start anywhere. I prefer to start probably at the equation if I know the slope and the intercept. I know my m is 4 and my b is 2. So my equation is going to be y equals 4x plus 2. Next thing I think I'll go is go to my graph because I know to start with the number without the x. So I'm going to start at 2, and my slope is 4, which means I need to go up 4 over 1. So there's my graph. And then my table, I can pick any x's that I want. I think I'll just pick 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And probably the easiest way, if I go to my equation, if x is 0, 4 times 0 is 0, plus 2 is 2. If I plug 1 in, 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. If I plug 2 in, 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. If I plug 3 in, 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14. And if I plug 4 in, 4 times 4 is 16, plus 2 is 18. Alright, and then the last part I have is my verbal description. The biggest thing I need to know is I start at 2 and I go up by 4 every time. So I'm just going to talk about Joe, and I'm going to say he had $2 in his piggy bank. And I'm going to say each week his parents gave him $4 to keep his room clean. So we started at something and then it goes up by 4 every unit. In my case it was every week.